Any rapper talking greasy, I can take it easy. I can spray him at the light like I'm about to squeegee. Add a rapper to the menu at the Malaguini. Now it's time to wash them down with some fucking Fiji. Little trick or treat on another beat. Living so discreet, so let's keep it brief. I'm that kid ahead of class, I will not repeat. I don't do no hands out, please don't try to reach. When I dive in that pussy, call me Johnny Deep. Red bone like mulatto in a Georgia peach. Money talk a different language, I ain't gotta speak. Niggas copy on their own, I ain't gotta teach. Man, fuck that.
What up, Valley Gang? It's your boy Keith, and I'm back in the snow. A little sliding. We sliding a little bit, but I'm back. Try this one more time. Got my gas in my car, so I'm good. Oh, we getting over the hill. Oh, I'm further than what I got last time. Oh, shit. I'm gaining progress. So, if you ain't watched my previous video, I got stuck. Slid sideways. Had to take mom's car to get gas. So, I know, yeah, I didn't get a haircut. But, we're making progress. So, yeah. I seen somebody else with a charge on earlier. They was doing fine. Now, I know my issue. You know, I smoked my tires in the rear. There ain't really no traction on them. But it's all good. We rolling, baby. We is rolling. So we gonna see. We're gonna see what can this Dodge Charger RT do in the snow. We're gonna see. Like they always say that they're light in the ass. There's no traction. Rear wheel drive. We're gonna see today. We're going to find out. We're going to push it to the limit. You know, I'm going to push this car to its limit. But when I get to my location, I will turn the camera back on. But right now, I got to focus on this road because people cannot drive. It's getting foggy out here a little bit. But they out here cleaning the streets up. So make sure if you ain't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, please. Tell a friend of a friend, your mama, your daddy, your sister, your cousin, your brother, aunties and uncles, whoever. Subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, smash the like button, watch the whole video. Watch the whole video, please. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. Those links are down below. We about to get into this video. Trying to tell you, make some legendary content. As you can see, I'm still moving and grooving in the Dodge. So, stay tuned, people. watched my last video, I'm back getting gas again. Goddamn gas light came back on. But yeah, man, I'm gonna do something epic, legendary with the charger in the snow. Make sure you drop your comments, smash them likes, and subscribe to the motherfucking channel. Goddamn cold out this joint.
Any rapper talking greasy, I can take it easy. I can spray him at the light like I'm about to squeegee. Add a rapper to the menu at the Malaguini. Now it's time to wash him down with some fucking Fiji. Little trick or treat on another beat. Living so discreet, so let's keep it brief. I'm that kid ahead of class, I will not repeat. I don't do no hands out, please don't try to reach. When I dive in that pussy, call me Johnny Deep. Red bone like mulatto in the Georgia peach. Money talk a different language, I ain't gotta speak. Niggas copy on their own, I ain't gotta teach. Man, fuck that, they like what's next? This is all facts, I don't just flex. Got them upset, I ain't done yet.